So lined up right here with either light. There's two metal clips in there that keep this thing up in the ceiling, and in the back there are two other clips, but the two front ones, the way you get them out, take a screwdriver, gently pry up right here, stick it in, you'll feel, I believe you should feel a little metal tab, and you pull down gently. You have to, a bit finicky, you gotta do it with both. So you push in, pull down, push in, pull down, and just like that, tilt it forward gently, because there's little clips in the back as well. Mine broke off. Just make sure you pull off this here, let's see. So once you pull down, you pull it forward this way towards the camera and get out these rear clips. Mine broke off. And then you just have to unplug this here top wire harness with a little tab on top of the clip. You push in and the clip should just pop right out. Just like that. Pops right out. And that's it. Just beware. On the back here, there's two little white clips that protrude out about an inch. That's what keeps it in on the other side up there. It just slides in like that. Mine snapped off because I didn't know how to take it off and I was pulling too hard. So be wary of that. Just these two metal clips that you gotta push in on with the screwdriver, and that helps to take them off.